Chef David was an excellent host. I would highly recommend adding on the supermarket tour. Very informative instruction and delicious recipes. We had a lot of fun. Would highly recommend for anyone visiting Mendoza. My husband and I had such a lovely time with Chef David and his sister in Mendoza. He was a wonderful teacher, patiently helping us make several dishes and cocktails, explaining the processes and their cultural significance. He was so friendly and interesting. My husband and I overstayed our time chatting with him. Had a great time at David's. David and Rosie and both lovely and the food was great. David's English is really amazing too. Learned lots and had fun. Such a fun, interesting evening. So warm and casual. Such great activity. And we came home with recipes and a souvenir to beat all others. We had a wonderful evening with David and Rosario. Cooked numerous dishes and had a very lively and convivial time. Highly recommend. Really good fun. Really interesting, and we made some great food together. Started in the market, which was interesting, and then back for drinks and empanada making. Great atmosphere, great cooking lesson. This evening gave us an opportunity to have some Argentinian flavors. Worth it. David and Rosa were wonderful hosts. As was Coco the dog. It was very interesting to learn about the cooking. It's a wonderful concept, and we've had an amazing time cooking and learning and mixing with people from other countries. Very cozy, family-style cooking class. Great food and a great opportunity to discuss all open questions we had about Argentina. Wonderful experience, learning how to make empanadas and asado argentino. Flores and excellent chef and outstanding teacher. Amazing experience. David and Rosie were extremely knowledgeable and we learned a lot. Above all, the food we made together was delicious. Love the variety of dishes. David was easygoing and such a warm and friendly person. Couldn't recommend this experience anymore. Amazing. Yummy food and drink. David was a great host and it was really fun to make the food ourselves too. We had a really nice evening. We had so much fun cooking with locals and chatting with other travelers while drinking and helping cook. It's hands-on, but they do most of the cooking while assigning us small tasks. David and Rosario are so amazing that we stayed after dinner just conversing. The food was the best we've had and was so much fun cooking together. Book this if you want a great experience in Mendoza. I'd seriously come back to do this again.